maybe provide some entertainment, because I could always have great conversations. We could talk about news. We could talk about, events that are affecting these markets. And I don't need to be in a trade. And so I took one great trade in gold. It worked out really well. I locked my account up and said, okay, let's have some good conversations. MP hopped on, and he's always spilling the beans and dropping nice hints about TopstepX future, which is as bright as it can get. And so great conversations on the day show. And we're hanging here at 3340s. 3340s. If we could break through into the 41, I'll move my stop loss. But gold needs to show me that it wants to actually break out and not fake out. We're still kind of hovering. Like, you see how it faked out earlier and then dropped back below. If we do start to break, I need to see some more momentum. We're only up 0.12. So let's see if we can get it. Let's get it. We went up and tested 40.6. Been listening for several months. Has helped out a lot. Thanks. What's the word for the VIP? Just stay tuned. I don't get any inside information when it comes to details. The quickest way for you to find out information is honestly, number one, following MP on Twitter or TopstepX TV. That's where you get the latest. Maybe they learn not to tell me information because I always just talk about it. Like, yeah, if we tell Dakota, he's going to tell his slow markets class. Any lower? Not good. A lot. Nothing has changed so far. We're doing the same thing we did basically here. This is a little bit of what I was worried about, was we come up, we fake, and then we sell off. So we came up, we faked into these 40s, and now we're starting to sell off. So let's see if we can hold somewhere. Maybe support becomes resistance, right? This was resistance. Let's see if maybe it can become support. Then I'll feel really confident about moving my stop loss and saying, okay, this is solid. But it needs to prove it to me. Or if we do just stay chilling right here, I might just move my stop loss and say, move it up to 50. Or I could even call it and say, hey, you know what? We're not getting what I wanted to see. I call it a night. I say $50 is $50. I mean, some countries that's a week's wage. This is gold. This is micro gold. NASDAQ is just NQ. Gold is just GC. And then an M in front of it is a micro. 1/10 of a contract. 1,500 people liking. Or they're watching, not liking. And I'm not seeing too many more good hashtag slow markets anyway. I got about 15 more minutes. And we're chilling, watching this gold trade play out. It didn't really take much heat, right? Did we take much heat on this trade? Or did it just go up? Maybe we took a little bit of heat on it, but I don't know. What are some tips for trading gold coming from NQ? Gold is a lot less crazy, a lot less sporadic, and biggest tip for gold is follow the trend. Higher time frames, like an hourly chart, work really well. What is a pivot? A pivot is when there is a change in direction of the market, right? You could make arguments that these are pivots, like pivot, pivot, pivot. Maybe there's some discretion, right? Pivot. So you get the idea, right? Maybe you don't decide these smaller ones are pivots. Maybe you only do the big pivot. So there is a little bit of discretion when it comes to what you want to decide is a pivot. And look at us go. Come on. Get through that. Support become resistance. And here comes a banger. get up there. Okay, I feel confident. Let's get that stop loss. Let's tighten it up. Let's control our risk. Let's be risk managers. And let's go. Let's get through those 40s. New session high. Let's get into the 41s. $300 to go to pass this combine. Been trading gold a lot lately. I have, yes. Yep, there's been not as good of setups in the NASDAQ. So gold has been golden. Oh, don't fail me now. I might have to bail. We might have to bail. Bail. Call it a day. No one can quit the NASDAQ forever. We're just on a break. Me and NASDAQ are on a break. Can you break down your entry and why you entered? I did earlier. I'll review it again. Like the music, loving the music. It's got me pumped up for a second there. This song came on right as we were made session highs at 41. It looked like we're gonna go. It looked like we're gonna go. This is a strong resistance here at these 40s. If we can't hold here, I might just bail and call it a night. But we have risk managed. Restart your music, it'll help. We just got this. We just got this. It's failing. We're failing. This trade is now, this breakout is turning into a fake out. Fake out alert. Yeah, these 40s are major resistance. We gave it a good college try. Yeah, I used to trade in the Nikkei a lot. But we're not done. We're not. It's not an L. It's not over till the trade's finished. It's not looking good. That's the. Oof, those 40s. We gotta believe. Technicals. This looks like manipulation before the pop. Well, let's see. Let's get it. 10 minutes left. You've been on the four streak loss after passing my challenge. I'm happy. Size down. Sizing down when you're struggling is the right thing to do. There we go. Let's keep building momentum. Back up into those 40s. Hopefully it doesn't turn into a megaphone pattern. I don't even want to hear that word. Let's have a quote together. Size matters. It does. It does. What's up? Trade for pips. Doritos pattern. Why is gold and NQ having a correlation? Sometimes it correlates, sometimes it doesn't. I don't pay much correlation between the NASDAQ and gold. Anyway, I actually need to change this to ticks because that's supposed to be ticks. I'm over here thinking if I should take it, and ticks is the way I view it. Let's get through this. We're still holding these 38s. Why ticks versus dollar amounts? Because it's about the process, right? Because I want to be scaling up. And when I scale up, it's going to be the same process. Like if I close this for 22 ticks, it means more. It doesn't matter whether it's micros or minis. And I'm looking to scale up. And so if I want to be trading like 30 minis, I'm still going to be looking for the ticks, right? So I'm risking 29 ticks. It doesn't matter whether it's a micro or a mini or 30 minis. It's the same process. So same thing. That's why. And when I'm trading NASDAQ, I look at points. Yep, disassociate from the P&L. Don't think about the dollars. Think about the process. Think about, getting in, getting out. Same thing. Let's see. Let's get this back into those 40s. It's the song. Ooh, who got that? Who got out of that? That got some people. Stop loss in the green. Moving the stop loss right there now. Let's get to the session highs. Let's finish it off. We can drop it. Here it goes. Come on, let's get it. Worst case scenario, I make 4 ticks. Play some bachata. The Chill Llama. The Chill Llama. Are you from Lima? Are you from Peru? I will not change this music since we're going up yet. 4 ticks. 4 ticks. Worst case scenario is 4 ticks. We're hovering around 69. From Bolivia. Okay. You have a full-time job and do trading. Trading is my job. When I started to learn how to trade, I did have a full-time job. Yep. Yeah, if these 40s reject again, then I'm done. Like there's, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that's 30 minutes of rejection there. I mean, we still might on the long term, like on that higher time frame, play out. But like I said, I have 5 more minutes and I have to go. I'll take one. I'll take one if we get back up there. I'll take it out manually if we do. Because if we just blow off the top here. Stay longer, it's going to get wild. Why do I de-risk so much in a bad streak? When you're struggling, I think it's very important to size down until you figure out why you're struggling. It doesn't make sense to just lose, and then continue to lose. You take a step back and say, hey, is this something I'm doing or is this the markets? And then you could risk right back on. Put the risk right back on. All right, I think this is going to be it. This might be it, chat. Don't go. You'll see me tomorrow. I'll be on tomorrow. Don't worry. Let's see if we can get back into those 40s. It's the haircut. How long have I been trading? About 14 and a half years now. Come on, 38s. Buyers need to support these 38s again. Those 40s have been such a resistance tonight during slow markets. Since 5. 26 bucks for Chick-fil-A. That's Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A, or I mean, I can stop by McDonald's for $9. Chick-fil-A or McDonald's. Here we go. We're at Chick-fil-A now. McDonald's is stop loss. Richard, I'm fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Uh-oh, we're going down. We're going down. It might be a Mickey D. McDonald's is a stop loss. Yeah, McDonald's is a stop loss. We're getting bringing McDonald's tonight. Oh, it's holding. Here, look. Look at there's my stop loss on the books. There's my stop loss on the books right there. See that number's 10? Not like this. Not like this. Wendy's? No, Wendy's is down here. Wendy's is like down there. Is this too close? I might just trail it. This is probably going to stop me out and go up. That's all right. We're at the time. Freaking McDonald's. Can't win them all. Well, actually, yeah, that's a winner. Screw it. That's a winner. Green on the screen. Green on the freaking screen. That's as good as it gets tonight. That fake out on gold. So, all right, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Coach Jay is going to be on with me tomorrow. Don't forget that. And then we'll continue the conversation. We will continue the conversation of can you trade for a living, how it is for trading for the living. I will be on Power Hour tomorrow. Power Hour tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. We have lots of data coming out. It's going to be a good one. I will be back here. Dang gold. Dang gold. That's all I have to say. So, see ya. It was a fun one. Enjoy it. Tomorrow, full session. Coach Jay, can you trade for a living? We'll continue that conversation. We had good conversations today. Good stuff coming. Take care, everybody. And see you then.